Hi, welcome to Maptive. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to share your map with non-licensed users. Now, once you've got your map set up, you'll want to set up your tools, things like the filter tool if you're going to give them the option of filtering. You'll do all of that ahead of time. You'll then go to map settings where you can go to shared and presentation maps, and you can set up any of the tools you want to include and any of the tools you do not want to include. You can check your work by checking your shared view. This will open up a new tab or window depending on how your browser is set up, so that you can check to see what that shared map is going to look like. And then finally, you have the Share Map button. Clicking this will allow you to share with your team or share externally with those non-licensed users. I'm going to do that one here. With password protected, the map can only have one password. So if you share it with multiple people, you'll give everybody the same password. Public doesn't mean public. Nobody is looking for your company and finding your maps in Maptive. This just simply means when they receive the link, the map will just open. You can share your default map. That's if you don't need to filter this map for the users or have routes or zoomed in on any particular place. You can just simply share your default map. Your current map view would be if you were zoomed in, have a radius, something like that, where you want to pinpoint that map for the user you're sharing it with. For mine, I'm going to choose default map. I can then email the map link right from Maptive, or I can simply copy and paste the link into my own email. And that's how you share the map. If you update the data or update the map in your admin map, that shared map will automatically update as well. So that's a little extra tidbit. That's all on sharing your map. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. Thanks for watching. Bye.